In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Loom video. If you're cleaning up old recordings or removing something sensitive, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can confidently remove a video for good. First, open Loom in your browser and head to your home dashboard, which is the For You page. This is where Loom surfaces your recent and relevant content. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so you're looking at the right set of videos, especially if you belong to multiple teams or accounts. Next, go to Library. You'll find this in the left-hand navigation. The library view shows your recordings in one place, making it easier to locate the video you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right video, since permanent deletion can't be undone and will immediately disable any links you've shared. When you've found the video, open its More Actions menu by clicking the three dots next to the title or thumbnail. This menu is where Loom groups common tasks, and it helps you avoid accidentally opening the video when you're really trying to manage it. If you don't see the three dots at first, hover your mouse over the video tile and they should appear. From the menu, choose Delete. This is the action that begins the removal process. Loom will now prompt you to confirm so you don't accidentally delete the wrong item. This confirmation step is important because it gives you one last look at the video name before you finalize the removal. In the confirmation dialog, select Permanently Delete. This is the decisive step that erases the video and its related data, like comments and analytics, from your workspace. Once you confirm, the video is gone, and any link that previously led to it will stop working right away. If you're working in a shared workspace, remember that only the video owner or someone with the right permissions can perform this action. If you don't see the option, it may be due to your role or workspace settings. After you permanently delete, the video will disappear from your library view. If your page is open for a while, a quick refresh can help reflect the change immediately. That's it. Simple, clear, and permanent. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're now ready to keep your Loom library tidy and ensure that only the content you want to keep remains accessible.